Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of That Went Well. Very unique episode coming your way, as I have received my first bit of footage from a viewer who was inspired by one of the videos that I put together. Dear friend of mine, Devin Rojas, and her sisters were inspired by my candy episode to try one of the items that I tried on that episode and give us their verdict. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play for you the original clip from the original episode, and then I'll show you the results of their look at the item themselves. So let's watch, have some fun, and I'll be back in a bit. This is one I'd never seen. As I was looking at the products in the aisle, this was the one that jumped out, and it was the last one. And so that to me tells me people like these. And so I'm going to start and taste my first ever sour pickle ball. Saladitos con pepino is what it says on the front. Deliciously seasoned with a little kick. I love pickles. I really do. Although I'm weird. I don't like or tend to prefer sliced pickles like they use for burgers and stuff. I like spears or just whole pickles. I'm a huge pickle fan. I love spicy pickles. There are products out on the market that there's one that used to be called Wickles. I'm not even sure if they're still out there. But those were great spicy pickles. So, if I can figure out how to open this product, we're going to get into it and figure out what this is all about. So, here we go. Let's see. So you guys can see I have no upper body strength whatsoever as I try to open this package. There we go. All right. So, first ever sour pickle ball. Oh man, that's pickle. Alright, so here it is. And as you can see, it's quite a dark green, and I'm scared to bite into it, but what the hell, over here. Here we go. Ooh. That's spicy. I mean, there's a heat, and there's a pickle flavor. And I can't undo my face. Oh my. Okay, let's see. Here are the ingredients. Cucumbers, don't taste them. Water, vinegar, salt, alum, calcium chloride, sodium benzoate, and potassium sorbate. Oleoresin turmeric, and yellow number 5, and polysorbate 80. Sour pickle balls. Not a fan. Ooh. Oh my. Ooh. I'm running low on water. That burned in a way that I'm not familiar with. And it's not even. I thought it was going to be something like the cherry sours that they also do, the cherry bombs with the spicy stuff on them. No, it was just all crumbly stuff. Yeah, that was not good.
Hi. We're inspired by your video, and I told them to watch Alamo Candy Co. Sour pickle balls. I like pickles.
I hate pickles.
Sean hates pickles. Jacob, do you like pickles? I'll try it first.
Pickles are
No, I thought we should do it together. Yeah. Okay, so here's one for Sean. The biggest one. Jacob. It smells like pickle. Okay, ready?
Like a small bite?
1, 2, 3. Put it all.
I'm not putting the whole thing on.
Sean! Are you biting it?
I don't like it.
It's like pickle, like sour pickle. It's good. Our teeth are black.
I'm rolling. I don't like it.
It's sour. Yeah. It tastes like a pickle. I like it.
Bite into it.
Wait. I'm scared. You been into it? Is it? He's crying.
Oh my god. Jacob's passed out.
Well, you better not. I don't want to bite it.
Stay my fingers.
No, bite it.
Gosh, it's gonna sting.
Oh,
Ew.
it's so freaking sour. Jesus. Let's bite it at the same time.
Ew.
Oh! Ah!
Ew.
I'm doing it.
Nasty.
Can you draw along?
Fools.
So anyways, oh my god.
Fools.
It wasn't good. I didn't like biting into it. It was too sour and too like grainy. Like too like it was just everywhere.
Too green.
Like too nasty. So yeah. Don't They already tried.
Wow, those reactions were hilarious. So a big thank you to my friend Devin and her sisters for trying out the Alamo Candy Company Sour Pickle Balls and giving us their review. If you are going to try something that you see me have on the show and want to send me your results, I'll be happy to put them on future episodes and share with others as well. This has been such a fun project. I'm looking so forward to the episodes that are coming up. Thank you all who have subscribed. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and also mark that notification bell so you'll know when my episodes drop. Thank you so much, everybody. I've had a great time, and this was a really fun episode. So as I prepare to get out of here, I'll tell you like I always do. You're awesome, you're amazing, and the world's a better place because you are in it. Take care, have a great week, and we'll see you soon.
Oh! Ah! 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 Ah!
Ew.
I'm doing it.
Nasty.